Austin Bird, top side of 3. He's got Jacob Ronobaum. Alex Jeske can't have it at the rear of the field. Jacob Ronobaum looking at the backside of 19 of Brittany Sherrill. Alex Jeske P5. He came in somewhere earlier this week, ladies and gentlemen. He'll look at the backside of that smoke from Brittany Sherrill. But up front, Randy Wright. He might have Austin Bird. Alex Jeske to the outside of Brittany Sherrill. And Jacob Ronobaum. He's coming. Hold off the 24 of Austin Bird out of 4. 2 to go this time by. 2 to go. Before it came out to the races. With our Sawyer Brown, the race is on, and it is on. He's out front. Austin Bird P2. Alex Jeske in 3rd. Jacob Ronobaum in 4th. He'll come out of turn 3. Steps into turn 4 by himself. Looks up there at the flagman. 1 to go this time by after picking up the feature win in Concordia last Sunday. Randy Wright. He'll take it into turn 3. Comes out of turn 3. Into 4. Coming out of 4. Looking up there at the checker flag. Picking up the heat win, Randy Wright.
Checker flag off the 32 with the 42J of Alex Jeske in 3. And I guess coming off of a fresh win, my first match is take that checker flag. Give it one more time for the 85.
4 heat 2. Your first contract guy will get 4 compact. Jeske out front, got the 25 right there at P2. Here comes the 17 of Kyle Wiggins to the inside, attitude.
Kyle Higgins makes a quick look to the stage of the front. Right behind him is the 25 of Lord Reed. Turn 3.
Lester Lucas.
Turn 4, Kyle Higgins looks to the outside of the
3. Kyle Wiggins gets the pass around Lester Lucas. Branson under P3. He'll need a caution to come out, ladies and gentlemen. He will need a caution because that number 17, he's been hot to trot each and every visit out here at the Solana Speedway. Can he hold on to it topside? He better go. They close it in. They close it in. Branson Arner reeling in at number 17 of Kyle Higgins. He'll go into turn 3. He'll look him over. Bottom side. Catfishing. Come on, boy. Come on, boy. Come on, boy. Come on. Got him reeled in. Yeah! Woo! Oh! Hang on to it! Come on, boy! Come on! Come on! Randy Rice, he picked up the heat win earlier.
Lucas go to the 03K of Kyle Mortensen. And a missing data might be the 04 of Bird. The 42J of Alec Jessica. Last year's track champion on the outside, the 17 Kiowa Hickman. The 7-in of Jacob Ronabaum. Next in the 77 of Branson Arner Jr. Bird, the 25 of Lauren Reed. The 71 of Delana List. And the 73 of Kid Happy. Brittany Serraldo, the 19. The 04 of Allison Burton. The 80 of Jared Armstrong. Behind that, Bill Heaven at fourth base. Strong folks, put your hands together!
Ladies and gentlemen, your Bird Contracting IMCA Sport Compact A feature. Lester Lucas lead him off. Princeton Arner drove that car last year, ladies and gentlemen. Out of 4, Randy Rice to the outside. It's game time. She showed him the numbers. Oh no, Lester Lucas right there. I'm glad Branson got by real smooth. Oh, that didn't He got a rear tire out or something. Randy Rice out front. Here comes the number 77 of Branson Arner. Down the backstretch. Kiowa Hickman gets a good push off the top side of 3. Randy Rice out front. He's got to go. He's got to go. Branson Arner with a strong run off the bottom side of 2. In a 3. He looked Kiowa Hickman over in his rear corner panel. Kiowa Hickman gets into Kyle Morton a little bit out of 4. Right here it is, ladies and gentlemen. To the inside. Looking good. Down the damn backstretch 1. Give him the noise, dude. Give him the noise. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.
It's like a sandwich for Mortensen.
He'll have 2 to go this time by. 2 to go. Come on. You got him, man. You look good. Come on. Come on. Come on. Randy Rice in a turn 3. He'll come out of turn 3 in a 4. Way to go to Southbound. Oh, he's reeling you in. Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, he started 10th, finished second on the evening. Let him start up front, but coming out of 4 is the family right there, picking up a feature win. Randy Rice. Big dog, big dog, big dog, big dog, big dog.